My goal for every one of you is to win. I want you to get better. I want you to put in the work, and I want you to win. I know you can win, and sometimes we get stuck. We get stuck here, we get stuck in our back, but we get stuck. And it's those points when you're stuck is when you need me to help you. And I am here to help you, to guide you, to coach you, to make sure you get better. Now here is the story. Winning is about knowing what to do. And we've identified the truth of back pain, of what has to be done. There's also a level of how you do it and making sure that you do it, and then you win. So I'm going to be putting out videos more, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on the member page, there is a link for announcements. And as I create the new videos, I will tag them as announcements. And when you go there, if you have not seen the video, it'll show up. So that way you'll always be able to see the videos, and I don't think you need to necessarily go there every day, but I'm going to do a lot of these because it's very helpful. So it's going to be more about the subtle aspect of what causes back pain, why you have it, and some of the things that you do throughout the day that might perpetuate it, above and beyond bending, lifting, twisting, sitting, all those things. But really, it's all about the tissue damage to the disc. That is why you have the pain. It's the tissue damage. So I'm going to do videos about that. But then it's also about how to solve it. And sometimes people get stuck, or maybe they missed part of a video where I talked a little bit about how to do the activity, or when to do the activity, or how much to do the activity. So I'm going to chime in as I see these things on the Facebook page and YouTube for that matter, so I can help you. I've been doing this 30 years. 26,000 patients we've treated in our clinics. This program works. I've spent a good part of my life thinking about back pain, what causes it, how to get rid of it. We've done the scientific studies on it. We've been published in medical journals. I think I have 3 or 4 patents, maybe more, I don't know. It's all about back pain. So there's a lot of information on the internet and from your peers and maybe from other practitioners that is wrong. And you're getting wrong information and you're getting bad information, and my goal is to eliminate that. Probably 95% of all treatment that you're getting and the information you're getting from the treaters is not 100% of what is necessary to get you better. So we're going to talk about in these videos to make sure you know what is necessary. But the goal is periodically do videos on updates on what's happening with the spine, things that I see or hear, maybe you're misunderstanding, more activities that you can do that maybe are not complicated to help you get better. And then we're going to talk about the warriors that have been down this path. We're going to have a warrior of the week. Anytime you have questions, I'm going to post those with video answers. And we're going to try to find a way above and beyond putting it as the announcement where we can archive it. And we may archive it both on 10X and on a landing page so you can have access to these. I'm not sure the best way to do that, but we'll figure it out, and you can help me figure it out. But it's going to be all about us helping each other scale the mountain of back pain. It's possible. I want to make sure you have all the things that you need, because in the end, to live your life, you're going to need some strength. You're going to need physical strength, and you're going to need some emotional strength. And pain relief is weakness leaving your body. The rising tide lifts all boats. This is about us helping each other. As you see others get better, it helps you along that pathway. If you haven't seen this, the red line is pain, the white line is strength. Sometimes you're strengthening, and you don't see a lot of improvement. And you're waiting for that breakthrough. This is designed to help you with the breakthrough, knowing that you can get there. My goal is for all of us to win. That's the key. I'm here. I'm going to make the videos, and they're going to be more frequent. And if you have any questions at all, I'm going to post those in a video, and I'm going to try not to make those too long so you can get through the information. If you're interested in our program, we have a program called 10X. You can put your comments and questions below, and I will answer those. I'm going to be answering more questions with videos. And this program has been designed over a 30-year period, solving back problem, addressing the functional continuum, making sure you're doing all the exercises right to stabilize your spine through the core, through the hips, functional active movements, all to make you better. It's a $47 a month program. We're here for you. You can get better. Doesn't matter what you call it. Doesn't matter if you call it degenerated disc, bulging disc, or herniated disc. It's all about the stress to the tissues, causing tissue damage that causes you pain. We're here to help. Sign up. Get better.